pictures I wear. Because you see what was going on.
It took 30 minutes for us to get here today. Let's get to Do you think we should get rid of something?
And you said this is different. Going in this direction.
Yeah, I guess the video is different.
What about us?
Animatronics?
Oh,
Animatronics.
Are you texting John?
Yeah,
Cute boyfriend.
he is.
Right?
And my child's
That'd be
husband,
nice.
which is a little awkward, but you know. They did at least invite me to the wedding.
Oh, well, that's
Yeah.
What do you think?
Welcome aboard the Hagels Express. Please remain seated throughout your entire journey. In case of an emergency, there is a switch located under the bed seat closest to the window.
Here's my mom and my grandma over there. There's Bryson.
Who are you talking to, honey?
A video. He's basically filming for his YouTube. You know.
I'm gonna make a YouTube video.
See. I know that kid.
I'm gonna make a YouTube video,
Do you follow
Mom.
Elijah's Elevators and Trains on YouTube? He's got 16 followers. Are you one of them?
No.
No.
I'm only one of Bryce's followers because he got all
Diesel
my
just he's
followers.
gonna follow.
That was Bryson's COVID.
Diesel
time.
just he's
He was
gonna
become a famous
follow
YouTuber.
Elijah's escalators and reverse and trains.
Volume
Okay.
control, babe.
Not anymore.
Yeah.
Volume control. Turn it way down.
Why?
Because there's.
Because we're in a closed space. And it hurts my ears.
That's yelling.
How about if you whisper? Can you whisper?
No.
I can't yell in the train.
No.
Not in public.
Okay, enough. All done talking about it. You understand. We're done. Thank you.
Okay, Mom. This is a train, not a museum, Mom.
Should have wrote signs. He says 30 minutes to get here.
So, who would like some Bernie's every 5 days? Who would put for a for a train ride? We need some chocolate drops and some Bernie's every 5 days. The chocolate clouds come with like famous wizard cards, don't they?
Something I don't remember. You might be right.
Literally read those books 20 years ago and never watched the movies, but I still remember all this stuff.
You never watched the movie?
I watched the first one, but I didn't like it.
Oh, I loved it.
I found it to be like they were trying to push all the information into one, so like the humor is lost, and like that's normal in a movie. But that's why I didn't keep watching them. You know, I think I caught the fourth one on TV one time. It's okay, but like
They're all
the
on
books,
TV now.
the books are so much better. So like most books, but yeah.
Here we go.
Little tickle and Charles. That'd be funny. You make everybody feel like they're getting tickled all the time. Oh, bye, Hagrid.
Hagrid.
Bye.
Thanks for
Looks like a bunch of fursuits.
Let's keep looking.
I run. Oh, that's good.
Wait, I don't think you're recording anything. That's a blank video. You know, Bryson, we're on a ride. You might like it if you watch it.
It's a movie.
Yeah, it is. It's Fred or
That's
George. George, that's George.
It is a movie.
Look, they're twins. Fred and George.
Oh, great, look, got spiders. Forget it, mate. You'll never catch me now.
Spiders. They're licorice, actually.
Did you really have to do that?
Honestly, Ron, they're just sweet.
It's a movie. We're watching a movie.
So we're back in London. It's a triple decker bus. It's pretty cool with this floor, whatever ladies came walking by back there. That was fun. That's from book 4, right? When they have the Wizarding Cup. Who's that guy?
Diesel just he's gonna follow me and comments on my video. Mom?
I don't know. I don't have any control over what Diesel Diesel does.
Diesel just does have that I don't do.
Alright, we're back in London on platform 9 and 3/4. Hold on. Hey, Bryson.
There's my mom, and there's my grandma, and there's my brother.
Alright, Elijah, put the phone away, please.
Not yet.